Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Nekros in Warframe. Nekros is a popular Warframe known for his loot-focused abilities, making him very useful for farming resources. To begin, go to your navigation and travel to Deimos. Select Magnacidium, which is an assassination mission where you will fight Lephantis. During this fight, Lephantis has 3 heads that emerge from the ground. Wait for each head to open its weak point, then shoot directly inside when it opens. Each head has a different attack pattern, so take your time and focus on one at a time. After defeating all 3 heads, the fight will move into a second phase. Repeat the same process by attacking the weak points when they open. Once Lephantis is defeated, extract from the mission. You will be rewarded with one of Nekros' component blueprints, such as neuroptics. Repeat this mission until you collect the chassis, systems, and neuroptics. After collecting all 3 parts, go to the market and search for Nekros. As you can see, the main blueprint for Nekros costs 100,000 credits. Purchase the main blueprint, then head to your Foundry. Build Nekros using the collected components. That's it. You've learned how to farm Nekros by defeating Lephantis on the Magnacidium mission on Deimos, and how to obtain his main blueprint from the market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.